Today's clap as a reference point to start from.
So that we can edit the videos out.
Yes.
Sorry, the audio out, of course.
Of course. Apple family, by the way.
Anyway,
Lower budget Apple.
lower budget
production. Lower production.
We have a very small production. We just have a small studio.
Studio, yes. Studio it is, guys.
Yeah,
It is not a co-working space. It's a studio.
It's definitely not a cabin in a co-working
Definitely not.
space.
Not
Definitely not a cabinet.
And the important thing is this is Goregaon, not Malad.
No, of course.
If anybody said it is Malad,
Buddy.
I'll lose my mind. Right?
Buddy. Oberoi Mall के सामने. Oberoi guys. Oberoi Mall.
Just don't come here, guys.
No. Everybody is invited. We have a small surprise chair in the back.
You might not see the whole picture there, but it's a good chair.
And anybody can see the whole picture. Nah, you don't know what you're talking about right now.
We have not told the topic yet. So,
but I feel the first thing we should address the fact that we are taking a while for the second episode. I mean,
actually, this is the first episode. They're gonna see us.
No, that's the first episode they're seeing. You can always listen to the episodes on Spotify. So,
Two confused millennials.
I mean,
Too confused? That was the name?
Yeah, I'm too confused right now.
We are not sure what was the name of our podcast, but
yeah, whatever. I mean,
and we are not sure how frequently we are going to do it as well. But we are going to come, and this is not Malad. That is for sure.
I don't know.
Other than that, we are not sure of anything else.
Why are you so obsessed with the fight between Malad and Goregaon? I'm not understanding right now.
There's this thin line between Malad and Goregaon, guys.
That's true, guys. I mean,
and we are on the line. We are on the edge.
I mean, the camera is in Malad and we are in Goregaon right now.
That might be the case. You never know. That might be the case.
Anyway.
Any which ways. What is today's topic?
Today's topic is patience versus waiting.
Why this intense topic? Why?
Because I don't know the meaning of it. What according to you?
Let's just define it first then.
Yeah.
That is the basic idea or basic start of any conversation.
I don't think that's how the younger crowd goes by. But
we are millennials millennials, but from heart we are still that old.
No.
I am still that old bastard who listens to old music and old songs and loves them.
Here.
By the way, my favorite song is Tadap Tadap. And apparently I have never had a heart broken. But still I love that song.
Oh, is it? Acha.
I've never.
That's nice. I didn't know that. Maybe you are patiently waiting for the...
Patiently waiting. Contradicting our own title or head. Oh my god.
So you get an idea of what we'll be doing here.
You might get confused after the whole podcast video. But
no, but that's the point. I mean, you might start the video and you might feel confused, but towards the end of it,
you also might get confused more. You never know.
Maybe not. Let's see.
Or maybe not.
Or maybe.
Maybe. You never know. Anything is possible.
Yes.
The earth might be flat. You never know.
You know, I'm actually thinking of that.
No, please don't start that topic.
Because moon landing is fake.
Oh shit.
The shadows are off, guys.
Shit.
Of course, this is a joke.
The flag was not waving.
There was no camera in the outer space, man. There are no outer space photos. It's just Photoshop.
Photoshop, guys. Photoshop. It was shot in our...
Malad, yaar.
Malad, dude. Goregaon was that...
Film City.
Shh.
Don't share this.
No. It was real, guys. It was 100% real.
Absolutely. So was Thanos.
So was Thanos. I was dead, by the way, 5 years. I just came back just now.
I didn't miss you though. You were gone? I thought it's in there. Anyway.
Not at all hurt.
Anyway.
Not at all hurt.
Coming back to the
topic. What is the topic again?
Patience versus waiting.
Waiting versus patience. Patience versus waiting. So let's just define it though first. Waiting, I have a definition right in front of me.
Of course.
So I'll start by reading it out loud.
He has got all his pointers written down, and for somebody who compulsively writes everything down,
has nothing.
No
idea what he's going to say in the whole podcast. He's just gonna
Everything
think on his feet.
spontaneous.
Arey.
No, I am quick on my what was the word that you just used? I mean,
After your kick on that
Stealing.
the thing you walk on, what is that called?
अरे वो दो पैरों में यार. This is not an original joke though, but
not
you might
original.
soon get a stand-up from me as well.
Nobody
Like,
he never has an original joke, guys. Just by the way, we are
I mean,
waiting since
If you
years
think
now.
that's true, maybe you should hit the like button. If you think that's untrue, you should hit the subscribe button. Guys. Regardless, hit some buttons, except for the back and the forward and some other videos. Anyway.
Yeah, hitting buttons. Word.
No.
No?
Let's,
No? Okay. Okay. Definition. We'll go
Definition
by the
of
definition.
patience. Yeah.
So what I've got, I've read a lot about this. Not today, not yesterday, not a week back, but a month back. But that is okay.
When we decided the
When we
podcast
decided
topic.
to consistently upload, but we failed to.
I still feel that maybe we will do once every 15 days
100% sure.
if we are able to get the edited video out before
On time.
Yeah.
We are not sure who's going to edit that, but we are
Maybe
hoping it will.
Shashank will edit that.
We are hoping it will get out soon. By the way, on the topic, the definition of waiting and patience. Waiting first, we'll start with
I'll
waiting.
just check if the recording is going on. I know I'm getting a little bit.
Yeah.
It's on.
Hello. Yes, it is on. It is on. It is on.
Yeah.
A definition of the word waiting is to remain inactive or in a state of repose as until something expected happens. That sentence in itself is such a deep
Dive into the.
dive into the thought or eternity of your
I mean,
feelings.
it had 3 heavy words.
3 heavy words.
Out of which I just remember one, which was
Repose. I knew it. I knew it. So I'll repeat it again.
Sure.
A definition of the word waiting is to remain inactive
Okay.
or in a state of repose
Okay.
until something expected happens.
So it's like can we define the state of waiting for a machine per se, because machine expects something to happen. Machine waits for an input. Which
Machine
could
waits
be-
for an input.
which could be
Correct.
an expected event.
But that is to technical person. Like if we get example from a real life basis, we can say if I am waiting for my evening gym session, I cannot prepone it, I cannot postpone it. It is going to happen at a particular period of time. I cannot do it. And I cannot do anything about it to get 6 o'clock before 6 o'clock. I have to wait till 6 o'clock to get that thing done. So something before which you are inactive or repose,
Something which is basically you're saying that you're powerless.
not powerless, you may have all the power, but you cannot do
But that's-
anything about the thing that is going to happen on a particular period or particular time or something like that.
So what I understood out of it is, firstly, I should stop saying so. Secondly, waiting is about inaction. It's about not doing anything.
Correct.
Which means even if you're sitting and thinking,
That is doing something.
yes, is that how we can see it?
Maybe inactivity could be physical thing.
Maybe inactivity could be a
Physical.
Yes.
It doesn't have to be just mentally thinking about something. Cannot be considered as actively doing something. You have to physically not do something to being called repose, because repose is the definition of repose is being at a state of rest.
Okay. Coming to your second point, you said waiting was about, say, you are waiting for the clock to hit 6 o'clock.
Correct.
Okay. I don't know, it doesn't make sense, man.
So how you will define waiting?
I think that's why we started the podcast. But okay, I'll give my shot. Let's do this thing. You define your patience also, because I feel it
Acha,
will be a little bit.
it
there'll
can be
a-
contradictory sentences altogether.
Yes.
Okay.
Because I don't want to. Let's see. I don't want to
Chalo,
miss my
done.
definition.
Done.
If it is similar, so that well and good. If
Done.
not, then
Patience, the definition of patience is the capacity to accept or tolerate delay, trouble, or suffering without getting upset about it. I'll repeat.
Mm-hmm.
The capacity to accept, tolerate, delay, trouble, or suffering without getting angry or upset about it is patience.
I think we should have just read
Stick
out the
with-
dictionary so that we would not have had this
Woo!
conversation. Because I feel now the definitions are out there. It's pretty clear. Waiting is about waiting is about
Do you agree with it though?
that. I see. I've still not yet defined for me also clearly. So I don't know whether I agree with it or not. But what I am understanding of the basic definition of the words, waiting is about. You are say waiting at a bus for the bus stop. That is the only thing that comes to my mind when I
Relatable Mumbaikar.
Yeah, for the local. I mean, yeah. Hashtag Virar local. Okay. दर्द के आगे सीट नहीं. I think I screwed up the joke.
दर्द के आगे सीट है?
I will when the joke comes. I'm quick on my what's that word?
What's that word? You walk on it, yaar. What is that word?
Anyway, waiting is about a particular small action or an activity that you will be performing. Patience could be defined as the period or your state of mind before you get something that you want.
Damn confusing. Let's just get this definition of yours sorted by an example.
So I'll be waiting for a bus. The bus may come, but patience would be even if other bus comes, I'll not get angry about it. I'll not be fussy कि अरे यार मेरा बस क्यों नहीं आ रहा है. I wouldn't get pissed off if I don't get a seat or whatever, or if I'm anxious, anxiety would not be there in the bus stop. I mean, if you're getting anxiety on bus
stop,
then you're not living in Mumbai. You might be some US citizens who are getting anxiety because they can't.
If you're getting anxiety because our bus is delayed, guys, please kill yourself.
I do not know this guy. Plus all the international viewers, no, please get help. Maybe call him. I'll tell his number. Why do you feel that you are like Logan Paul or something? I don't know. I am waiting for the bus.
Okay.
Bus is a part of the journey and I'm patient to complete the journey. Say it would be reaching home.
But it has so when we are saying to sort the definition out by an example, it has to be kind of a similar example to get that clarity of those both words, right? It cannot be different set of examples for different things and not get idea about what
you
exactly.
Wait for things, you have patience for outcomes.
That does not make any sense.
You wait for a bus, but you can wait for a promotion.
Exactly.
Interesting. You have patience.
Well,
If you want to go there, it's waiting is a physical activity, patience is a mental activity.
Say for example.
So you're waiting for the bus and you are patient, meaning you are calm, you are not angry, you are not all those words negative.
The definition.
You can have the words coming here and then just negating
no.
that.
Sorry.
I mean, come on, the video editors can do.
No editor skills here.
I mean,
guys.
it's
no editor
simple.
skill.
You can use that. You can do that in PowerPoint, man. What?
Yeah, I'll make Barack Obama stand next to me, and he'll see this exact definition with his.
Here, and I don't think I'm in the frame, man. Move around. Yeah.
So I'll set an example. Using that example, we'll try to define what wait and patience is, right? Say you have planned to buy an iPhone, the latest iPhone 14 Pro Max, the latest and greatest smartphone that is going to be launched in October, November, and you have planned to buy it in December.
Okay.
Because let's just agree, the day it is launched, nobody gets it. So December you have planned. Now.
Plus, you have to patiently wait to collect the money and buy it.
Yeah.
Anyway.
Sober pips. Chicken.
You say in Goria.
That is why the sober pips now. If you were looking for a new friend, the number is right here.
You can add that number. You can add that number, but you can't add
No.
the definition of patience. I was actually thinking about the way we'll edit the videos. Those videos where they show the Wikipedia page or they show the Google.
Yeah,
page, and you just have to change you just have to put that frame in it.
Yeah, 100%.
I mean, yes, sir, he said it. There is a video confirmation there.
Here is the Wikipedia page. Do the
You
frame.
can add it. You can add it here.
Just imagine I have not added anything here. We'll look so full.
Exactly, which is why you have to add it now.
I'll keep this part. We are just holding our hands together like this and
I
nothing
think
is
that will be
happening.
podcast 3 or 4. But anyway,
We are looking for editors, guys. We are looking for editors.
you'll get an internship.
Internships though. Internships. No pay at all. Because we are
You'll
not
get
getting
free
paid.
food.
Free food.
You can have
Free
the
coffee.
opportunity of coming on the podcast as well.
Opportunity on coming on the podcast and sitting on the great table that we all wish to sit one day, but one day.
Anyway, coming back to the example.
Coming back to the example, so you're planning to get an iPhone. The latest and greatest iPhone on December. This is March. The journey from March to December is something that you cannot control. Then
But when you say that you cannot control, what exactly?
time.
But you can never control the time.
Exactly, so you
That's
cannot
why we have
prepone it.
time machine movies and Dark. By the way, just side recommendation: watch Dark on Netflix.
Dark, yeah.
Anyway,
It's a
Dark.
German web series, guys.
Yes, you should watch it. It's on time.
You must have. If you're watching this, you must have watched Dark as well.
I mean, because the only people who are viewing this is our friends, are our friends, and they should have watched it. Love you guys.
Okay.
Anyway, I think we're digressing way too much, na?
Too much derailing is happening on this podcast, guys. Please bear with us. It's gonna get better and better. We hope so too.
Just like the Indian economy.
अच्छे दिन is on the way, guys. अच्छे दिन is on the way.
I'm apolitical.
यूपी में सरकार बन चुकी है. अच्छे दिन is on the way.
अच्छे दिन आएंगे, guys. So will the metro.
What? Yeah. Metro is there.
We are waiting for the metro to come, or are we patient that a metro will come? Let's figure out, guys.
Let's just figure that out as well.
So yeah, when you say you cannot control the time, that's just a vague statement.
Yeah. So basically, you know that this is March.
Huh.
You have to wait till December to get the new iPhone. Okay. Now there are two.
Can you say that statement without using the word wait? Can we have basically let's break down the meaning of waiting into some other words, if it is possible.
A definition of the word of waiting is to remain inactive.
So basically you're saying that you will remain
inactive for that thing
particular
to happen.
activity.
For a thing to happen.
Yeah, no. So what you're saying, you will remain inactive, or you will not take any actions towards buying the iPhone.
Correct. Because I cannot do anything about it. I have to wait.
Is the word cannot there in the
No.
definition?
No, not at
So
all.
then maybe
You are to remain in inactive state or a repose state until something expected happens.
correct. So you are not performing any actions towards buying the iPhone because first, obviously, you'll need that product to be launched.
Exactly.
And then, or maybe you are waiting for the prices to go down. Just to give another example, say if you want to buy iPhone 13 when the 14 launches, obviously the prices will go down. So maybe you are then waiting for the prices to go down.
Correct.
Which means you are not taking any actions.
Correct. But I might creep every time the prices go up. I might.
Because it doesn't matter because you're waiting, so you're not performing any actions.
Correct. That is waiting. Patience would be
Patient would be the guy who is watching the podcast.
who might be in the hospital and cannot turn the channel. We are on the channel is ठीक है. Not the.
Are the hospitals so advanced that they get the YouTube streaming? Oh, of course.
Of course.
Z Cinemas is
Of
sponsoring our
course.
podcast, guys.
Netflix, if you're watching.
तन्मय भट्टी आ रहा है उधर से.
Bangalore peeps. ठीक है.
Insider joke for Tanmay Bhatt.
Insider jokes. So patience. So yeah, that is waiting. Are we clear on waiting though?
Yeah,
in this example.
Inaction, yeah.
Yes. Patience. The capacity to accept or tolerate delay, trouble or suffering without getting angry or upset.
Which means you're saying that they decided to launch not in December, but say in March. Not in December 2022, but in March 2023. Will you be...
Correct. I won't get affected because of the delay that has
Is
happened.
affected the correct word?
See, if I'm getting angry, basically my anger or my suffering is a reaction to something that has happened, which is delay of the product launch.
I feel your anger and suffering will lead to a reaction.
That is the reaction of that action.
I don't think that is the reaction. The reaction is the reaction is something that you will do, not something that is happening internally.
Okay.
That we'll go to that part of it, but just one step behind.
Okay,
Something happens and then you will feel the anger. Because why I feel that
I think there are steps to this. That action's reaction was my anger, and my reaction was.
I mean, I think we should start the chemistry lecture, guys.
So
I love
H2O.
organic chemistry. We have a map of India here. It belongs to geography, but I guess we can do away with it.
Okay. What is that thing? Okay, we are derailing again.
I actually got interested in the.
That is an interesting line.
I think we should
okay.
also do a dopamine detox,
Dopamine
guys.
detox,
We don't
guys.
have focus.
A lot of devices here. Instant
Why do you
gratification.
sound like the uncle who is saying, "Chalo bacha lo,
चलो
सो जाओ
बच्चा
अभी,
लो,
चला."
लेट हो गया है, टाइम देखो. ठीक है. Let's just break it down even further. What I think now, waiting and patience are exactly the same thing.
No, let's not go to that step. I want to still understand your reaction or your action or whatever.
So what I was telling you about the delay na. So delay is an action.
He's also quick on feet, guys.
I am to that thing. Okay. So delay is the action, and because of that action's reaction is my anger, and because of my anger's action is something that I'll do is the reaction of that action.
Nah.
Nah. Let's just.
I got it, but I don't think it will be easy for any
There are
listener
three
to
steps.
understand.
There are 3 steps. The first
You can
step
have the
is
3 steps coming here written down. Right
not
now.
at all. We do not have an editor. We are looking for an editor. If you have, please send your resume at atharva@rich&teach. Thank you so much.
Did you just? I'm gonna.
अरे edit it out यार. अरे मैं कर दूंगा. तू फोन किसको कर रहा है?
9960099708.
मैं एडिट करने वाला हूँ उसको, तो मेरा नंबर क्यों ही बोल रहा है? बट ठीक है.
Anyway,
If you feel safe doing that,
I'm not feeling
I
safe.
can just blur out my number part and I can keep your email part, but that is okay.
I have the YouTube account. I decide whether the video goes public or not.
You can watch it on my personal channel, guys.
Yeah, this. If you're trying to understand the confusion here, it's Shashank's phone that we are using for
Yes.
recording the video. Shashank's iPad for him to remember his points, and my small device for recording the audio.
He has Nokia
6265.
33110
Nah,
10
6265, guys.
6265. I have no idea what that model number is, but okay.
Because
I just have the flip phone.
not the flip phone, the slide up.
The slide up phone. Oh, well, good old days, guys. Good old days.
I think it just went like what 2 minutes ago. Thanos abhi to aake gaya.
अभी तो.
Anyway,
Let's just.
coming back to the point, why I feel the distinction is required between the layers is because if we say that patience is internal and waiting is external, you have a lot of things going on internally. So when you say that something is delayed, what I feel how the cycle moves is your subconscious mind has a reaction. When I say reaction, it means that subconscious mind analyzes the situation.
Please don't tell me the recording has stopped.
No, the recording is still
Okay.
So when we have a emotional reaction to something, what basically is happening is your subconscious mind is analyzing all the data that is there, and it is understanding how you would have reacted, or rather what it understands. So for example, if I see a chipkali there, I don't know the English word for it, if I say a lizard there, I will feel fear. And why I will feel fear is because maybe my brain thinks I should be afraid, or I should care for my life. Similarly, if I see a muffin here, he won't see it because I'll eat it immediately. The point being, between that, so the first thing that arises in my desire to eat it. If my desire is there, it will then move to my action.
Okay.
Which is me reaching out and grabbing it. There is no cupcake.
Muffin there. But we can add it in the edit, but we won't because we don't have editors. Looking for editors out, guys. Please email your resume to.
Regardless, email your resumes. I'll add you to my newsletter.
Subtle plug, guys. Subtle plug.
That's
Everything is acceptable in this podcast. Please
सब आ जाएगा.
subscribe. Okay.
We'll have the YouTube shots for that.
Yes.
So coming back to the point, when the desire arises, there is a subtle switch. With your desire, you then act. Correct. So when there is a delay in the prices for iPhone or whatever the model launch, you will first feel anger because you wanted to buy it for so long. But I don't think that will be your reaction, because even if you are a calm person, the idea is to not have the emotions. The idea is to being able to not do your actions, not be in control of your emotions. Meaning what? Ki if I'm angry, I'll shout. Versus a person who has the anger but he doesn't shout. Which is why I feel patient has this nuanced kind of place, that patience is about not letting those 5-6 emotions getting the best out of you.
Okay.
Which is why I feel the initial definition of waiting being a physical thing and patience being an internal thing made sense for me. Because obviously I have to wait, and obviously I have to patiently wait. Waiting patient is somebody who is waiting at the hospital.
Yeah, exactly.
But patiently waiting makes a lot of sense because you are doing inactivity, and whilst you are doing nothing, you are not pissed off or angry. You're not saying ki, Arey, I want to hit that person, I want to hit that person, and you are stopping yourself physically. No, you are sitting down. Say for example, you're sitting down right now and you are not acting, and even if any emotion that is coming there, you will not basically you will not allow that emotion to ride your brain or ride your brain and do that action. Now what do you feel about it?
Okay, makes sense. 100% makes sense.
Because what I felt about your 3 layers of definition, you took that emotion to be your actional step. I don't feel that is the case. Of course, when you are habits is a part of it. For an impulsive person, maybe no, impulsive person would be a different kind of person. A person who is easily flown by their emotions, they don't know that they can say no to their feelings. So if they feel that I should do something, they don't think that they can't. Rather, they don't think at all. It automatically happens, which is what you said. If the prices go up or the delay happens, you're just pissed off, and then you'll crib and you'll do this and that. But patience would be about understanding that maybe these actions are futile. Okay, no, maybe not, but patience would be knowing that you are doing this.
Or maybe understanding why it happened, and was that necessary to delay the product because of any other reason. It could be production delay or anything. But understanding it and getting over that thing, or instead of hooking on to it.
Maybe not over that thing, over your emotion.
You're emotionally invested in this, I guess.
But the thing would be ki I am still pinned of patience being not external but internal.
100% agree. So can we say this? Patience and waiting can be same, but the only difference they have is the attitude of yours towards it.
No, patience is attitude.
Yeah, patience is attitude. That is what I'm trying to say. Is attitude is the only differentiator here.
How can attitude be a differentiator?
Attitude basically
Because
not just attitude basically is the same thing that you said. The reaction or the action or the emotion that you feel, and not allowing that reaction to get the good of you, is the attitude of yours toward that thing, right?
Mhm.
So
and you will anyway do certain things.
you will anyway gonna do certain things. You might even consider to buy iPhone 13 when the 14 launch has delayed. That could be another thing. But you had patiently wait till December because you had planned कि नहीं मैं लूँगा तो December में. तो is attitude.
I don't think you patiently waited till December. It was that you didn't have another option. So let's take something else. For
अच्छा,
example,
Okay.
maybe where you had an option to buy. Say for example, if there is a cupcake sitting right in front of us right now, but you patiently wait till the podcast is over. And when I say patiently wait, you mean that it's there. ठीक है.
So isn't that example wherein I'm patiently waiting for that cupcake because the podcast is going on? That is my attitude towards that thing.
Yes.
So don't you think
The attitude towards thing, but it's your attitude
in general?
Yeah.
And that is maybe the differentiator between your waiting and patiently waiting or patience.
Could be. Patient, yeah. I don't know, but the more we discuss, I feel the more I'm getting settled on my point, which was about
Physical and mental.
Yeah.
That is 100% like that. From that I have derived कि if it is mental, patience is
Or
all
internal.
about, or
Yeah.
internal.
Mm-hmm.
If patience is internal, attitude is also internal. You
correct.
can imbibe
Yes.
that
You
control.
You can mimic, but you can't. You can mimic waiting, but you can't mimic patience.
Correct. It has to come internally.
You can mimic certain style, but you can't mimic the attitude.
Correct. That is why maybe attitude is the important thing here.
Mm-hmm.
However, waiting is important, not just waiting. Maybe that is why when they say patience is a virtue,
Oh, nice.
I think they mean it. Virtue is basically behavior showing high moral standards. Not getting pissed off due to some small things that might get someone else pissed off easily. So basically you're on the high standard or you're high moral, wherein you know nothing in this world is under my control. What is in
Except
control? Me.
My reaction to whatever
happens. Exactly. Maybe that is how the attitude, the virtue, patience converge together and make you a better person.
Maybe that is why you can say a glib statement wherein anybody can wait, but not everybody can have patience.
100%.
Because for waiting is something that maybe you know how to do it, or it's just something that happens.
Correct.
But patience is something that you have to work upon.
Yeah. And maybe because of the same
It's like
thing.
waiting would be de facto, but patience is higher upgraded version of yourself.
Yeah. Correct.
Everybody gets the tools for waiting. Everybody gets the tool for patience, but the difference would be
The person who chose it.
no. The difference would be you have to build up. Okay, so let's run through the example. Everybody gets the tools. If you use the tools separately, if you just use them as they are, maybe that's waiting.
Okay.
Let's try to convert it into an example. iPhone 13 you have to buy. You get the tools. One could be money, or okay, maybe I'll define the tools as the activities that you have to do. One activity would be to research all the details. One activity would be to line up your savings. One activity would be, of course, because we are stupid people, we have to line up our savings. By the way, I just had this. Oh, sorry, I was derailing. But I will not say that. You can have one activity as I forgot my 2 points. I had one activity as the facts. One activity was lining up the savings. Another action or an activity that I could have would be constantly checking the website. I don't know. Obviously, it will come up to you on websites because #digital marketing. We are benefited by it. That's good. But patience would be understanding that some of those activities are not required to be done and not doing them, and some of the activities have to be done collaboratively, something like that.
Okay, how so?
Okay, so for example, constantly checking would actually not benefit anything.
That doesn't make sense as well, because everybody knows or the person knows when that thing is going to happen.
Exactly, which is where the difference would be between, maybe I am a little bit derailing from the definition or the example that I had, but that would be the person who is waiting. He might constantly check the website.
Okay.
But a person who is patiently waiting, he will check it to be updated, but he might not be constantly or not every
actively
day.
Looking at it.
Yeah, maybe not actively.
He may be passively looking at the website, but not actively.
Yeah, he might have his reminders set, he might have his notifications set, something like that. And that is where the difference is. Anybody can just constantly look at the website every day because it's just a small operational work that you have to do.
Correct.
But patience would be about understanding when that operational work is important and when it is not. And how exactly would that work benefit me? Or bring outcome?
Okay. Maybe do you think the difference between waiting and patience is also...
I have one another example, we'll complete.
Okay. Okay. When you're waiting, you do not think through the waiting period or the thing you were waiting for, and when the thing happens, you just immediately do it. Wherein, if you're
when you get the first chance.
Yeah, the first chance you get, you just get the thing done. And on the other hand, when you patiently wait for something, even before doing it, you think about doing that thing first. Does that make sense? Just for example, we'll take the Apple example again. We bought MacBooks together. Three of us bought MacBooks together in December, and in February they launched their own Apple Silicon.
Yeah, M1.
And kind of we knew that is going to come. But the first chance we got to buy the MacBooks, all three of us just bought it.
But I feel, sidebar here, we needed it before.
Agreed.
So I don't think, but I think we patiently waited till the right moment, because before it made no sense to buy it before. At least
100%
for anybody of anyone of us, we could have bought it in June. I mean, if you put the financials aside, we could have bought it in June also. I mean,
Feb in just 2 months.
No, I'm saying
December.
We could have bought it in June or July also.
Yeah.
But we patiently waited till we felt what was the right moment. Of course. That's how I look at my decision. I waited patiently till I felt the right thing, because I couldn't wait any longer.
You couldn't wait any longer.
Yeah.
Do you think that is the point of focus here? Because after buying it and after a few months, a new better product is going to come first.
But that always happens. Also,
that is always in technology world. That is always going to happen. I agree. But second, at least for me, when I bought it, I should have gone for the pro version.
Yeah, you should have.
But I didn't, because the first chance I got, I took there and I.
But it was not about the first chance, yeah. I don't think it was.
That was because I was purchasing it from US.
Okay, so you were looking for an opportunity, and as soon as you got an opportunity, the first opportunity that came.
Yeah, and even I paid more for that.
Yeah, absolutely. You paid almost the same as price for MacBook Pro.
Correct. I paid more extra.
More than the MacBook Pro from India?
No.
Ah,
The same that would have costed me in India.
In India, yeah.
Yeah. So maybe that was not patiently waiting. That was just I was waiting for an opportunity to come, and as soon as I got that opportunity, I made that thing happen.
So if we put it in some other words, as waiting would be the first opportunity, you jump on the first opportunity, versus patience would be jumping on the right opportunity.
Right opportunity. Correct. And maybe nothing is going to come up here. It's just flying his arms over. Nothing is going to show up. Nothing is going to show up.
Don't worry, guys.
We are adding editors.
We'll add some popcorn here. I don't think it's that difficult to add some popcorns in the middle of the video, man.
You are just confusing me. I had a good point here in my mind. Wait. Okay. Maybe continuing with the same train of thought, how important it is to patiently wait for a relationship as well. How important it is to patiently wait for the right person. Because maybe if you are just waiting for that person to come in your life as a partner, not the maybe the life partner, but just as a partner, you making decisions based on that waiting period could be something that you regret in future. Do you think that is maybe?
Elaborate.
Say for example, there's a person X. I'm not taking names. I'm not pointing to anybody.
Had you not said that, it wouldn't have been.
Let's just.
I don't know why I'm just giving my side.
So there's this person X. He's not been in relationship.
Imran Khan का ex
नहीं
movie
तू
आता
X है
है.
ठीक है तो there's this person.
We'll talk about Pulkit. I had another name in my mind and I thought that person will kill me.
I'll keep that person's name in bold when he said this like this to me. I'll do that.
I hope that person watches the podcast. At least we'll have one more viewer.
ठीक है तो hear me out. There's this person X. He's been waiting for a girl to give him attention for years now. ठीक है? He's been waiting to give any girl some attention to him so that he can start a relationship with her.
Hashtag article, whatever is the correct one. This is the third time I'm using
Third
the same
time you have
in the same
used that
day.
joke and you have not read.
It's not a joke, bro. It's not a joke. I mean, are you not concerned about the...
You are shouting now. But so there's a person X. He's been waiting for years to get in a relationship, to get the idea or to know or understand how a relationship works, and he jumps on the first opportunity he gets. And the girl gets herself attached to that person X too much, and that person X regrets that decision of starting a relationship too early or committing something too early.
Labels too early.
Is it because he was waiting for the relationship which made him jump on the first opportunity he got?
He was not patient.
He wasn't patient.
Yeah.
So basically we can confidently say that waiting might lead to bad decisions or regretful decisions at least. Can't we?
Yeah, that's true, because waiting does not involve thinking. Patience involves thinking.
Correct. And don't you think ads, commercials,
Achha.
commercials of bikes, or to be specific Royal Enfield, intentionally make it such so that you stop waiting and get that bike to be a part of the Royal Enfield club?
I have not seen any ads.
You have not seen any ad of Royal Enfield. They do not sell bikes. They sell
Journeys, Leh Ladakh trips. They sell Leh Ladakh trip, guys. They sell, it's like Bagpiper soda, because they can't sell Bagpiper other
not
stuff.
the same thing.
But
Not the same thing at all. But you get the idea that Royal Enfield does not sell bikes. It sells.
Apple does not sell phones; they sell status. In India, at least, because India is a status-driven country. Another newsletter Monday. Anyway.
Wow. So maybe all the other brands.
Kunal is talking about it all the time. India is a status-driven country.
100% it is.
So
Nobody can deny that India is not a status-driven country.
I don't think there's a shift though. That I feel that's the problem.
Maybe it will. So see, at the moment in India, there are a lot of things to be worried about, and status-driven is the least concerned of all
Like
those
खाना
things.
नहीं मिल रहा है but
स्टेटस
चार्जर किधर है?
आईफोन क्यों नहीं है मेरे पास? बच्चा भूखा मर रहा है मतलब मेरे पास आईफोन क्यों नहीं है? Anyway, so I think brand also knows this, that everybody or most of the people are just waiting, so they make these ads such a way कि they compel you to stop waiting and do something about it. Because you were anyway waiting, you were not patiently waiting. There was no patience involved in your inactivity.
See, one thing is all okay. I feel like there is also a subtle difference between. There would be some people who will not
do. That's what I'm saying. That most of the people do. Don't you think so? Okay, okay. Let me ask you this: how many of your friends had bought iPhone?
I don't know.
A number of people have done it.
I hope not.
You hope not. I hope so. But because in the past
Right now they should, yeah.
In the past 2 years, the sale of iPhone in India has increased tremendously.
Yeah.
Exponentially, it has been.
More than iPhone, I would suggest MacBook. Because if you
We
don't
are
have,
just derailing again.
no, I'll tell you why. iPhone is as good as Android if you don't have a MacBook.
If you don't have, but if you have an iPad, if you have a MacBook, you need to have an iPhone to complete the ecosystem. Dude, ecosystem is everything in Apple.
Sell whatever you want to sell to sleep at night.
Ecosystem, guys, please buy an iPhone. If you don't
You
have
can
the
also
money, murder your parents and get all the money they have, guys.
I
But
think I should leave the podcast at this point. Logan Paul का podcast बन रहा है.
Please do not do that, guys. Please.
Here I was thinking
Just
about
kill
talking.
your boss and get all the money he has, but okay, nobody.
Probably he won't have money though.
But he might have an iPhone. You can get that.
Yeah, but the old model.
Nonetheless,
Anyway.
iPhone is an iPhone.
iPhone is an iPhone. Maybe eat some Maggie before you kill him. I don't know.
Wow.
I don't know. Yeah, I'm just hungry now.
Every serial killer eats Maggie
Ever.
before murder.
Yeah, cheese Maggie.
Cheese Maggie.
You can also deliver one to us right now. We are in front of Oberoi Mall.
No, we are in front of. We are near Chunabatti railway station, guys. Please.
You can see the map right there.
You can see Chunabatti is right here. Okay.
I don't think that's comedy though. People will think क्या चूतिया भाग रहा
That
है
is the whole point. That is the whole point of this.
Anyway, yeah.
Any which ways. So I think brands, all the other brands knows this, at least the expensive ones knows this, and maybe they thrive on the emotion of people.
But I don't think that comes in the conversation. Many people are waiting. They are not patient. Which is why they are able to sell their products.
100%. That is what I'm saying. People are waiting. That is why they are able
People
to
are
sell
not
more.
patient.
People are not patient. That is the problem. Correct. Because I'll give you
Patience
another
is a
example.
strategic move, basically.
It is a mental thing, and mental is not a
Maybe
bad word.
patience
Guys.
is about patience is a strategic move.
Could be, but strategic is too.
Because I bought
specific.
an iPhone, even though I did not have the money or even did not have the time to buy. Basically, my phones, I don't know why, but they just fell into the waters.
All the time.
Or the point being, I could have bought some other phone and I could have then bought an iPhone maybe a year or so later. But I felt that at that point in time, even though I was a little short, iPhone would be the next strategic move. And I did wait for 10 days, although I did not
10
wait.
days.
Although I did not wait for 10 more days, because then I would have got the higher end model.
Yeah, because yeah, no.
I bought the basic one. Anyway, guys, if you're buying an iPhone, don't buy the basic one.
Do not buy. The
Actually,
64
it
GB.
does work if you want to.
Do not buy at all. At least buy
If you want to
128
have,
GB.
if you want to have iCloud, then it's okay.
No.
for you.
Anyway, 64 GB has been discontinued.
Oh, is it so?
Yeah.
And the
Now
last
the
one
iPhone
was-
starts from 128 GB.
I thought it was about MacBook. That it
No,
starts
no,
from
no.
256.
MacBooks are anyway starting from 256, but iPhones are also starting from 128 GB because anyway everything has increased their sizes now in general.
Because their
Photos,
programs and all
videos,
everything that must have been.
Games and
But anyway, you can go away with iCloud or Google Photos, whatever. I mean, you should have Google Photos though because it's very important to have all the photos from all your years of life. It's very important to see tu kab chutiya tha.
Yeah.
Always yesterday.
So that was the thing. It is, I think, too much to handle in one podcast.
I don't think it was heavy at all. We didn't have
Not-
muffin either. I'm just
Okay.
saying, the person who can bring 3 Apple devices can always bring a muffin. I mean, just
I've spent all my money on these things.
could have said that 3 months ago, not anymore.
I'm still paying EMIs of all three guys.
Some more my hand.
But anyways, this is something I think to leave the audience on to think about how different is waiting and patience.
I don't think there is a difference anymore because for me it's clear now.
But that is what I'm saying. See, when you see it from a clarity, you try to retrospect and think, Acha, oh, that moment was not maybe the waiting moment, but that moment was a patient moment because of which the decision I took were the right moment.
You will always have waiting periods.
You will always do.
Patience would be about knowing when to end the waiting period.
No. That is the same thing that the first opportunity you get to jump on it, which is not right.
No, maybe you will increase your waiting period. You will not jump on it. Patience is about knowing when to when to stop waiting and take an action. Because that's the point. Basically, when you know when the right opportunity is there, you should not wait at all.
The right opportunity.
Exactly.
Correct.
Which is I'm saying patience would be knowing when to pounce.
But how will you differentiate and how will you know that this is the right moment and not the first moment? Because that could be a possibility.
That depends case to case basis. If you have one case, you can always share. I'll share mine. I felt that it was okay for me to have not waited any longer because A, you get bored when you don't have a phone. And B, I didn't have a spare phone, so I couldn't keep using somebody else's phone for longer duration of time. So I felt okay, and then I was like, okay, the next devices that I'll buy the latest one, and I'll wait. I'll be patient, and I'll ensure that my patience is strategic by having some other get by devices. I have a earphone also, so that I know that I'll not jump on the exact opportunity, which is what happened with my phone. It just fell into the water. I'm not afraid of this falling into the water because.
And we just lost.
I don't know. I think we lost 22 minutes of transcript, but that's cool.
22 minutes of. Oh my god, it's almost an hour, guys. I think we should stop here now.
Yeah, we should stop. Yeah.
But it was a good discussion.
Yeah. Please drop down what you think about
You can always suggest new topics. We can overthink or discuss.
Overthink is a good thing. If you don't believe that, you can always recommend also and read my newsletter. It's available on atharva.com, substack.com.
He won't leave it. Please read his newsletter.
You can also read my blog on social media, which I have sent almost 2 months ago. So, I mean, just
eternal jokes again. Nobody is going to understand this. Let's just... Okay.
Anyway, it was fun, guys. So I think just dropping your understanding of
what do you
patience
think
versus
waiting
and where do you think that we went wrong in our understanding?
Please.
Absolutely, please tell us.
Please do.
We'll be right back. Bye bye.